Hello, welcome to the Wisdom English classes for the students of class 9th. Today we are going to discuss the text exercises of your chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. So let us start. Here are some headings for paragraphs in the text. Write the number of the paragraph for which title against the heading. For each title against the heading. Number 1, Einstein's equation. Number 2, Einstein meets his future wife. Number 3, the making of a violinist. Number 4, Mileva and Einstein's mother. Number 5, a letter that launched the arms race. Number 6, a desk drawer full of ideas. Number 7, marriage and divorce. And the answer: Number 1, Einstein's equation is in paragraph 9. Einstein meets his future wife in paragraph 7. The making of a violinist mentioned in paragraph 3. Mileva and Einstein's mother in paragraph 10. A letter that launched the arms race, paragraph number 15. A desk drawer full of ideas is in paragraph 8. And marriage and divorce mentioned in paragraph 11. Question number 2. Who had these opinions about Einstein? He was boring. The answer is playmates. He was stupid and would never succeed in life. This was of the headmaster. And he was a freak. It was his mother who used to say these words. Now question number 3. Explain what the reasons for the following are. Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. Einstein seeing in Mileva an ally. What do these tell you about Einstein? Number 1, a strict regimentation at school. Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good because of the strict regimentation at school. A strict regimentation means due to a strict discipline. He left the school. Number 2, Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich because of the liberal atmosphere that accepted new ideas. Number 3, Einstein seeing in Mileva an ally. Ally means a friend, a partner. Like him, Mileva also disapproved of the Philistines, those who disliked art, literature, or music. Both had similar ideas and likes and dislikes. Both used to love art, literature, and music and disliked people who disliked art, literature, and music. And number 4, what do these tell you about Einstein? He loved freedom. He was a liberal and cultured person. This is what it tells us. Now question number 4. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? Answer is, he called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bureau of Theoretical Physics because he stored his secret papers on ideas on physics there. उस टेबल के ड्रॉअर में ही वो अपना सारा थियरीज वगैरह जो भी वो लिख रहे होते थे वो सारा रखते थे. दैट्स वाई ही सेड these words. Number 5. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Einstein feared that the Germans, under the rule of the Nazis, had developed the atomic bomb and could misuse it. He wrote to the President of the USA to warn him of this development. क्योंकि आइंस्टाइन को पता था कि ये एटम बॉम्ब्स काफ़ी डेंजरस होते हैं, बहुत ही डिस्ट्रक्टिव होते हैं, और वो नहीं चाहते थे कि इसका मिसयूज़ हो. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डिड आइंस्टाइन रिएक्ट टू द बॉम्बिंग ऑफ हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी. इन 1945 में जब जापानीज सिटीज़ हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी पे बॉम्ब गिराया गया, एटम बम, उसके बाद उनका कैसा रिएक्शन था. तो आइंस्टाइन वाज डीपली सेकेंड बाय द डिजास्टर caused in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He wrote a public missive to the United Nations demanding the formation of a world government to stop the development of nuclear weapons. और उसके बाद आइंस्टाइन गवर्नमेंट के हर उस एजेंसी से, हर उस डिपार्टमेंट से जहाँ इनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट था, जहाँ के वो उन्हें मेंबर बनाए गए थे, सबसे उन्होंने रिज़ाइन कर दिया था. और एक इंस्टीट्यूशंस भी खोला था जिसमें साइंस के साथ साथ स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन बच्चों को दिया जा सके, ताकि इस तरह का पावर का मिसयूज़ ना हो और आगे से कोई हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी रिपीट ना हो सके. नंबर 7, वाई डज द वर्ल्ड रिमेंबर आइंस्टाइन एज ए वर्ल्ड सिटीजन. तो आइंस्टाइन वॉज ए वर्ल्ड सिटीजन बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एफर्ट्स फॉर वर्ल्ड पीस एंड नॉन वायलेंस. क्योंकि वो उनका जो भी इन्वेंशंस था उसका वो चाहते थे मानव के इस वर्ल्ड के भले के लिए उसको यूज़ करना, उसका मिसयूज़ वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहते थे. और वो हमेशा ही वर्ल्ड पीस की बात करते थे, नॉन वायलेंस की बात करते थे, और इसलिए उन्हें वर्ल्ड सिटीजन कहा जाता है. नंबर 8, हियर आर सम फैक्ट्स फ्रॉम आइंस्टाइन्स लाइफ, अरेंज देम इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. Einstein publishes his special theory of relativity. He is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. Einstein attends a high school in Munich. Einstein's family moves to Milan. Einstein is born in the German city of Ulm. Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Mileva. Einstein dies. He provides a new interpretation of gravity. Tired of the school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. He works in a patent office as a technical expert. When Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United States. And the answers are: Einstein publishes his special theory of relativity. This should be on 7th number. So first it should be Einstein is born in the German city of Ulm. Number 2, Einstein attends a high school in Munich. Number 3, Einstein's family moves to Milan. Number 4, tired of the school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. And number 5, Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Mileva. And number 6, he works in a patent office as a technical expert. Number 7, Einstein publishes his special theory of relativity. Number 8, he provides a new interpretation of gravity. Number 9 B, he is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Number 10, when Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United States. And number 11, Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. And now the grammar exercises. Here are some sentences from the story. Choose the word from the brackets which can be substituted for the italicized words in the sentences. A few years later, the marriage faltered. And bracket, there are 1, 2, 3 or 4 words given, and you have to choose the best one. And the answer we can see, a few years later the marriage faltered. Marriage faltered means became weak. Number 2, Einstein was constantly at odds with people at the university, means in disagreement, on bad terms, in disagreement, or unhappy, in disagreement. Number 3, the newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Scientific revolution, you have to choose one among these 3 words: declared, praised, or showed. And the answer is declared. Number 4, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms buildup. And the answer should be campaigning. Number 5, at the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good. Number 5, it should be permanently. Number 6, 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Uproar means in a state of commotion. And number 7, science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. Interested, challenged, or worried? Interested. And now the next exercise on grammar. Complete the sentences below by filling in the blanks with suitable participle clauses. The information that has to be used in the phrases is provided as a sentence in brackets. And answer, I can just repeat the answer only. Working round the clock, the firefighters finally put out the fire. Number 2, she watched the sunset above the mountain, noticing the colors blending softly into one another. Number 3, the excited horse pawed the ground rapidly, neighing continually. Number 4, having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Benares. Number 5, having not bathed for 2 days, I was desperate to get to the bathroom. Number 6, the stone steps being worn down needed to be replaced. Number 7, the actor received hundreds of letters from his fans asking him to send them his photograph. Thank you.